Guilfer P.Hontoria. Now I will demonstrate how to make a basic HTML. Just watch and learn.
Okay, so this is the very basic HTML tutorial from vidtutorial.com. Now, what I'm going to show you is how to use tags and how to construct a very basic web page. And the first thing you'll do is open up your web browser, and then you want to open up Notepad. And then what you'll do is create some very basic tags. So everything in HTML goes inside these two tags. That tells the document that it is an HTML. And the body of an HTML document is divided into two sections. One is the head, and one is the actual body. Now you'll notice that each tag has a slash where it ends. So this is the whole body tag, and this is the whole head tag, and it's all inside of the HTML tag. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to title your document. So go here and type in "Hello World." Okay, so now we're going to save this. So go to File, Save As, and type in index.html. Hit Save, and make sure that the file is set to HTML and not .txt, because that's a text file and it won't run as HTML. So here's our index file that we saved to our desktop. We're going to drag that into our browser, and you'll see that the title is changed to Hello World. Next, what we'll do is create a paragraph tag. Okay, so you'll notice again I closed it with the slash, and it's a P, and that stands for paragraph. So you go to File, Save, Refresh. So there you go, you have Hello World again. Now another thing is you can make bold text by using either strong or B, but strong is a better version, and we're going to go with that. So sorry about my spelling there. Alright, and then we'll go to save again, or you can just hit Control S, and we'll refresh, and there's your bold sentence. Now we can also do italics by using the EM tag, and we'll do that now. I hit Control S to save, refresh, and look at that. You have your italic sentence, property of the body tag, and only affects the body tag. Likewise, if I were to change the background color of say another tag like a table tag, and we'll get into that in further episodes, but it changes only the background of that element. So the next thing I want to talk about is changing the color of your fonts. And you can do that by adding a font tag. Just like so. And you'll see that disappeared because I changed it to blue. Now if I change it to yellow, you'll see it changed to yellow. Or if I want to make it even uglier, I can change it to red. And there, changed to red. So font is a tag that basically defines all elements relating to text. Now if you want to actually add an image to an HTML document, that's a whole nother story. Now let's try this. So in Firefox you can create new tabs. So we're going to do that to go onto Google, find an image of a tree. Okay, this one's perfect. So we're just going to click this and drag it to our desktop. Alright, and you'll see that it's named images.jpg. So I'm going to close this window. And from this document, I'm going to create a new line, and I'm going to create an image tag that's img, and to reference the actual image, use the source tag, and you type in the name of the image. And we'll save that. And there's your image of your tree. And you can do different things to position these, like let's say you want to align text next to the image. Let's move the image into a paragraph. And we can say align to the left of this image. And you'll see everything will get aligned to the left of it that's underneath it until it exceeds the height of the image. So everything else will go next to it. And this is how you wrap text around an image in, say, an article or something of that nature. Now, as I said before, we would talk about tags that don't have any end tags, and HR and image are just a couple of those, but there are very few of them, so you don't really have to worry about them, but you should be aware of them.